Since that day. What the hell? Who are you? Me too. What are you doing?
What do you think so?
You know those things, right?
I'm using them for weapons. What? You think I'm gonna use my hands?
I'm saying about the zombies.
They're not zombies. Have you seen the movie I Am Legend?
Yes.
Those monsters are like that. They come out in the night. Not.
If you see cars, those are the people leaving the city. We're staying here.
Why are we staying here? I'm staying here. After they save the world, we're not that.
We will save the world. The sky is cloudy today for some reason. I don't know why. Bunch of cars are leaving the United States. This is just the beginning of the end. Okay.
I'll follow you. I'm going to show you how dogs are.
Wait. They're not infected.
They are.
One of them. Oh, they died.
No, they didn't. You can attract them with that still. Get it? See the dog?
That one's infected. Doesn't act like if it was infected.
Doesn't. It's tricking you.
It's the only one that's not. It's the only one that's infected. This is part 2. So far, nothing. The sky is still cloudy, damn it. It's still not a day. We'll record inside the house right now. We're brothers. There's our house. We are. Here's our house right here.
No. This thing tells me where the zombies when this thing rolls. When this thing rolls, they tell me where the zombies.
I mean the tripod. That's a sensor tripod.
When it stops, it tells me where it is. It's that way.
So then that way it is.
What time it gets night?
7.
7?
Why is that girl playing out there? We should warn her. Why not? She might be infected, right?
No. We only have 1 hour left. So, stupid zombies come and attack.
You know, sometimes I just feel like killing myself. Because my wife isn't here. Only you. Sometimes I just feel kind of disappointed, but we have to survive. As long as we stay together, we'll make it. Where do we go?
Just give me a second. This thing is going to tell me where to go. Where you are being. That was the one. You have to go that way.
Which way?
that way.
We decided not to go there for now.
We have to.
I know, but not now. We'll do it to the other side. It's because there's some dead bodies there.
Fine. You see where it lands the dead bodies. Might be in your house, it might be somewhere. For now, talk. Talk about what's happening since I'm doing this.
Let's go to the other side. That way. Look. Renee.
What?
We go that way. We go that way, but on the other side. I can't trust those dead bodies, you know. Not these days. Not these days anymore.
You have to.
What?
You have to. Let's make your choice.
Well, you go. Some people want to stay here. Some people just want to get the hell out of here.
Oh, this thing's gonna. Ow! Okay. This thing is gonna tell us where they are. Shake it. That way.
No. But we're still gonna go that way, right? On this side?
Let's tell us again. This side?
That side, but on this side.
Let me double check. Let me double check. Wait, no. Yeah, maybe it's that side. That side. That's it.
On this side, right?
Yeah, on this side.
Go. This side, this side. Oh, shit. Wait, let's go. We'll go across that side. Just go there. Look, we're gonna go straight there. We'll go to that corner right now. Okay. God, there's freaking dead bodies walking on the chair. Okay. So far, nothing to say. See, look. There's no recent cars walking by. Nothing. What? You were talking about the girls that we like in 2nd grade.
Yeah, but they're all dead.
Holy crap, are those zombies? We need to get away.
I don't know if you guys see them.
No, time to leave. Looks like these guys are some proof too. Oh god. Oh.
So we ran here. Okay, follow my ass.
Oh, that's for sure. But even though.
But I'm gonna make a big story so we can be safe. As you can see, there's a lot of them. I don't know if it was the first person, but if you see on YouTube in Miami, a zombie thing happened.
Yeah, a zombie. Well, we don't know if it's a zombie, but a person bit a person's face off and then it ran away. And they also found a man yelling naked in his backyard. Naked. Wait, I said naked 2 times. Yeah, sorry about that. But still, he was naked. And they say that he was yelling. He was like a 20-year-old man. And he was getting all enraged, punching stuff. He said that his knuckles bleed, but the person who was his neighbor said that he didn't care, he kept on doing it. So tell me, what the hell was that? Huh? It's a rescue airplane. Damn it, they should have gone here. Stupid asses.
stayed here.
They should have come here for us.
Yeah. We have to move out. Let's go. We're gonna get inside the house. Right there. I'm gonna check if there's any.
If there are any zombies, we're gonna have to enter with that. Okay. We're gonna enter later. We wanna keep on staying inside for a little while, right?
Just wait to go. What's inside there? You ready, guys? I'm opening it, so I don't know what's ready. Almost ready.
My dog is inside of there.
For who?
My dog.
Here, she'll protect us.
She's very little, but she can still protect us. Let's go.
Let's go.
Well, actually, I have 3 dogs. Jesus Christ. Don't let him come out. Go, 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 go. Yeah. This is it.
So we don't know what to do.
Oh wait, telescope.
We don't need a telescope. It's already booked.
You want a gun? An actual gun? Here, I can give you this. Wait, hold on a second. So he has a gun now and his weapon.
Meanwhile, I'm gonna keep this crap. Still works.
Okay.
What about you?
Let's say I'm just a cameraman.
Show yourself. So you can see who's my partner.
Can't.
You have to.
With one condition. Oh my god. If you identify me, put it in the comments. And I'll tell you if you're right or wrong. Enough of that shit.
Come on, man. See
Whoa!
yourself.
Wait,
Show yourself. Show.